Hi, welcome back. Here's how you can print your Excel document in Microsoft Excel. So let's say if we have this rundown of a show from a radio station, for example. To print it, go to File, and then go to Print, and then the orientation is set to Landscape. So it's not entirely, centered. So you can actually click on custom margins if you like. And then you can click on custom margin so that you can, you can add some value to the left so that when you click on OK, there's this spacing, but that's too large. Let's reduce it to this. Until it's centerized. Custom margins, make sure that the spacing on the left and the right side is equal, just like this. And you're done. Ooh, fancy. So everything in the document has been centerized, just like this. It looks much neater. You can choose, the printing device that you have. For example, if you have Epson type blah blah blah, you can choose Epson type blah blah blah. Or maybe you can actually export it to PDF while this option that says Microsoft Print to PDF is selected. And then when you're done, click on Print. You can even change the orientation to portrait, just like this. And then you can actually click on this one and then click on custom margins and then change the left one and then increase the top margin so that it's centerized, just like this. And then print it. Click on print. That's how you can print a Microsoft Excel document. I hope it will help you with what you're going to present to your boss regarding, financial stuff that you create, or even this rundown of the show so that, your boss gets the picture of how the show is being run or is going to be run. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.